Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to be talking about weight loss. To do weight loss, first you have to be serious. You have to program your brain so the weight loss journey will be easier for you. Because fatness comes with many sicknesses. First and for all, we have to understand how our body works and how its system works. Because our own body has its own system. And we have to follow that system if we want to stay fit. Number 1, always make sure you're eating in daylight. You cannot eat at nighttime or before or the time when it starts to get dark. When it starts to get dark, our bodies increase the cortisol, which means you should not eat at all. And just like that, after you wake up, you should eat about 2 to 3 hours after you wake up. Because our body is designed a way that in the daytime works and at nighttime it rests. So this is the biggest question. Why do we weight gain? Why can't we lose weight? It has one big explanation, which is our bad eating habits. To start weight loss, you have to get rid of some things. Every kind of processed oil, canola, sunflower, etc. You have to get rid of them. And other than that, you have to get rid of anything made of flour, all-purpose flour, and wheat flour, and rice. And of course, processed foods. Every kind of carbohydrates you have to get rid of. Sugar. All I have to say about sugar is that it is poison. Take it out of your life. Don't eat it. Processed juices and homemade juices, get rid of them because they become the reason of glucose spike in our blood cells. And most importantly, the main reason of gaining weight and health problems is fast food. Fast food, you have to get rid of it because of all the processed things and all the processed oils and all the things that add in it. Now, how to weight loss? It is important to switch your body to weight loss mode. And how to turn on the weight loss mode? This mode will turn on when you start intermediate fasting. Now, how to do intermediate fasting? First, you will eat at 9 to 10 a.m. and then after 6 hours, you will eat your other meal, your second meal. And between these meals, you will not eat anything, no snacking, no nothing. Then after the second meal, again, you will not eat anything until the breakfast. In the 15 to 16 hours of fasting, try not to eat anything, but mostly drink water because water can help weight loss. You can also drink other substances like green tea, coffee, lemon water. The benefits will help you weight loss, and the fat will burn and you will get energy. The second benefit is that your body will detox and exit all of the toxins that are built up in your body. Other than that, for exercising, you should go walking. Take deep breaths. You have to walk slow because it could burn 85% of fat. And more fat comes because of taking stress. If you take stress a lot, you will weight gain a lot. If you are stressed, start walking. It will help calm your mind. To lose weight, you should eat nutrients, fibers, vitamins, minerals, which you will find in vegetables and salads. Start a new life, set your life, and control on your food and lose weight and live a healthy, happy life because health is your most important feature. Bye.